Hey guys, in this video, I'm super excited to show this strategy on how to make money online using YouTube Shorts. It's really powerful. It's gonna blow your mind, guys. I actually tested this method myself, and I got crazy results. I'm gonna show you that later in this video. The best part about this method, guys, is that you don't need to show your face in front of the camera. We'll be using other people's content and turning this content, guys, into a profit generating machine. It's gonna get you results within 24 hours if you guys implement the method and take action. Alright guys, if you like content like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload a money making strategy like this to help you guys make money online. Keep watching. Alright guys, so the first step, guys, is we need to have an affiliate offer. Now you can go to clickbank.com and choose an offer. Now if you guys don't know what is Clickbank, it's basically a marketplace where you can promote millions of products. It can be physical products or digital products. Now I really encourage you guys to promote digital products because you don't need to worry about inventory, you don't need to worry about shipment. All you have to do is set up this automated system, bring the traffic, and make money. And you can make like 50% commissions to 75% commissions. It's really powerful, right? Now I need you guys to click on this marketplace right here. It's gonna bring you guys to this page right here, and I need you guys to scroll down a little bit and click on this e-business and e-marketing, and I need you guys to sort this by average and conversions because I really encourage you guys to promote an evergreen offer so you'll be able to access to this high ticket offers right here. Right, so this one is like 1,000 average conversions. This one is like $1,151. This one is $999. Now you can choose an offer right here. Now if you don't know what is an evergreen offer that you can promote, now you can promote the exact offer that I promote. The offer that I promote, guys, is this 90-minute affiliate challenge. Now you can just go to freeaffiliatemarketingprogram.com to get access into this 90-minute affiliate challenge. All you have to do is join into the challenge. That way you can also promote the exact offer that I promote, and you can get the exact funnel that I use, the exact automated system that I use, and do the exact method that I use to make money. Alright, which is really powerful. Alright, but if you don't want to promote this offer that I promote, you can just basically like go to Clickbank and choose an offer right here. Let's say you wanted to choose this offer from John Cristano right here, which is this super affiliate system. You can click on this affiliate page. It's gonna bring you guys to this page right here. Right, so you need to scroll down a little bit right here and look for this email swipes right here. So when I click on this, I'm gonna show you how to do that later. But if you guys don't want to create your own automated system just like this one right here, if you don't want to do this, you can just click on this promote button right here and just grab your affiliate link right here. So this is your affiliate link. So once you copy this link and open this link in a new tab, this is your funnel looks like. But the problem with this is you will not be able to collect those email addresses. You'll be able to just redirect the leads inside of this funnel, but John will get that leads. You will not be able to get that leads, right? If you want to get that leads, guys, and you'll be able to promote other offers, right, and make more money monetizing that leads, you need to create your own funnel or system, just like the one that I created right here. This is my own funnel, my own system, which I'm able to get the information of the leads, like their first name and email address. I'm able to monetize these leads with different kind of offers, which is really powerful, right? Now, if you get, just like I said, if you don't want to create this or collect those email addresses, you can just basically redirect the traffic into this page right here and send the traffic. I'm going to show you how to send free traffic later in this video. But if you guys wanted to create your own automated system, I'm going to show you how to clone the system, this funnel right here, using a free funnel builder. Alright, so what I can do is I can just click the link below this video to get access to this website right here. So the name of this website, guys, is System. I have a link below this video, that way you can also use this website or a free funnel builder. I'm going to show you guys how to clone this funnel right here using this free funnel builder right here, which is really powerful. Alright guys, so you need to create your account inside of system.io. Click on get started your free account right here, and click put in your email address, and like activate your account, right? So once you created your account, guys, I need you guys to log into your account. Now what you need to do, guys, is click on this funnels right here, and this is where we clone this funnel right here. That way you can get those email addresses, and you can follow up and monetize those leads with different kind of offers, right? So you click on create button right here and name your funnel to whatever offer that you'll be promoting. So this offer is software affiliate system, so click on put in like software affiliate system, and then click on build an audience right here, and then click on create, and it's gonna bring you guys to this page right here. Alright guys, and then scroll down at the bottom portion of this, guys, and we'll be using this blank template right here. Click on select right here, guys, and it's gonna let you guys edit this page right here and change this into software affiliate system. Also this one right here, software affiliate system without a spacing, right? Click on the save funnel right here and click on edit this one. Alright guys, now we'll be cloning this page right here. Now what we can do is we can drag in the text or heading right here, like this one. What we can do is we can copy this one right here. Alright, we can just copy this one and we can make it like bigger. Can click on save the changes. Now when we try to click on this eye icon right here, right, so this is our headline right here. Now what we can also do is we can like copy this one, alright, and we can also duplicate this one, guys. We can put that text right here and we can make it smaller. Of course, we'll be cloning the exact funnel. We can also duplicate this one and we can put in a button right here. We'll be cloning this really simple, right? Just dragging a button right here, right? So dragging a button and we can copy this exact like free training right here, free training plus 2 bonuses. You can click on this button right here and then we can put in like free training plus 2 bonuses, right? I will not be be creating this beautiful funnel because I just wanted to demonstrate guys how to easily create this funnel. So what we can do is we can like readjust the font size of this text right here. Click on this text, I click on this button, and then we will be adjusting the font size of that text like this one right here. So I'm happy with that. What I can do now is I can click on save the changes. I can go back right here. I put in this timer right here, right? Countdown right here, and in that countdown we can click on this countdown, right? And we can like readjust the font size of this, right? You can readjust the day of the countdown right here if you want to do that. Then let's go back right here, put in an image right here. So what we can do is we can screenshot this one. Alright, so this is the image right here. Click on this open right here. It's gonna upload that image into your server right here, and click on your image, and this is your image right here, and something like this. Now what we can do is we can like readjust the size of this image if you wanted to do that. Alright, something like that. You can add in like a spacing right here, right? So I'm not gonna able to clone this exact funnel, but you get the point, guys. Should be able to like clone this exact funnel using system.io for free. Alright, so now the most important thing here, guys, is click on this button right here, because this is where we create this pop-up right here. Select this one, right? So we collect the email addresses, this first name and email address right here, so we'll be able to get your leads, right? So click on this right here and click on this pop-up, add a pop-up right here, and click on this one right here, and this input box, duplicate this one, click on this one, and then change this into first name, right? Alright, and then change this into email address right here. Alright, and add in like a label or a placeholder email right here. Alright, that's pretty much it. When we click on this eye icon right here, you'll be able to view your funnel right here. So this is your button. When you click on this one, I'm sorry about that. So when you click on this button right here, so we try to, you know what, I forgot to do one thing. Click on this button right here and show pop-up. Click on this one right here, click on show pop-up, and then show the pop-up that you created, this one right here. And that's pretty much it. Click on save the changes, and we try to click on this view right here. We'll be able to, you know, click on this button right here and be able to collect their email address right here and their first name right here. And we can set up our automated system. Now we can click on this arrow icon right here. Now you can set up an automated campaign right here. Click on this automated campaign, and this is where you create your campaign right here. Add in the email addresses, the one that you get from this email address right here. So you would copy and paste the email addresses right here, guys. Right, you'd click on create a campaign and add in the email addresses right here, and add in the email follow-up sequence right here, or email swipes right here. Right, so this is where you would do it. Alright, now if you guys wanted to have a done for you like campaign or done for you system just like this one, I really encourage you guys to, just like I said, join me into the 90-minute affiliate system. That way you don't need to do this manually, right? You don't need to set up this automated system. All you have to do is like join me into the 90-minute affiliate system. That way you can have your own system already set up for you. Everything is done for you, and all you have to do is put your affiliate link and you're good to go. You don't need to create this, like do this manually. That way you can have your own leads, you can collect those leads, you can monetize those leads to whatever offer or product that you will be promoting. Alright, so yeah, that's how you would set up your automated system within system.io. Now the last thing, guys, is you would drive traffic into your offer. So once you set up your campaign inside of system.io, and by the way, guys, I have a step-by-step other video tutorial about this, on how to set this email campaign. Just watch that video. I'm gonna try to put that somewhere around this video or in the description of this video, on how to set up this email automation campaigns right here. Alright, now just like I said, it's time to drive traffic. Now you can go to your funnel right here and copy the link of your funnel. So this is your funnel that you've created. Click on this one right here, and this is your funnel link right here. Right, so when you guys open this link, so this is your funnel or landing page or funnel right here, and it's ready for you to make money. Right, now it's time to drive traffic. Now, just like I said, guys, we'll be using YouTube Shorts to do this. Now I'm going to show you guys one of the example of that video that I created. That way you can fully like copy and implement the method that I use, guys, without showing your face in front of the camera. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel right here. I'm gonna scroll down right here. So this is the exact video, guys, that I created like 24 hours ago, and I got 1,000 views, and I got leads, guys, with this powerful method, guys. And if you do this the right way, guys, you set up your funnel correctly, you can literally make money, guys, on complete autopilot. Alright, so I'm gonna play this video for you. Alright, so I'm gonna try to play this video, that way you can see the power of my video and implement the method as well. Right, so this is the exact video that I use. I actually use other people's content and actually added my own memes right here. So just watch this video right here, that way you can fully like understand what I did right here. Right, so I'm gonna play this video. I'm not really sure, guys, if you can hear the sounds of this, but I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say to implement her. So I'm gonna click on play again.
So not halal mode.
Alright, guys, so I actually use other people's content, and by the end of this video, guys, I put a call to action. Now you don't need to show your face in front of the camera. I just really like to use my video right here but you don't need to do that. You can just use other people's content or use other people's video. All you have to do is put this call to action right here. So what I did right here is I put in like this call to action right here. This is the common scenario in affiliate marketing, and I put in like Guru Stitch's trick, but they're doing different method to make money themselves. And I put in like call to action right here. Learn the right way, get a free course in the bio or in the comment section or in the description of this video. And with this strategy, guys, I'm able to generate like leads, guys, using only free traffic, guys, and these leads will convert into customers, into buyers, and that's how you make money with this method, right? It's really, really powerful, guys. And just like I said, I just created this video like 24 hours ago, and I got over like 1,000 views. Now when you guys upload your content or your TikTok videos, or when you guys upload your YouTube shorts, you need to put in like hashtags. Now the hashtags that I use, guys, is affiliate marketing. So you put in like hashtags and put in like affiliate marketing, like this one, affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing, like this one. So all these hashtags you can use right here. That way this video will be recommended into those spaces, alright, or in niches, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is take action, and this is the exact method that I use, guys, to generate leads and to make money, guys. Now, just like I said, if you wanted to have a done for you system, a done for you solution, guys, a done for you affiliate marketing business, I really encourage you guys to join me into the 90-minute affiliate challenge. All you have to do is go to the freeaffiliatemarketingprogram.com. That way you can just, you know, get your account, get your free account, sign up to your account. You get access to free training, and you get access to exact offer that I use. That way you can also make money using a done for you business, a done for you marketing, done for you affiliate marketing business. That way you don't need to create this manually from scratch if you don't want it. But if you wanted to create this from scratch, then you can do that if you wanted to do that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.